Hi. Does Circadiyin really work? Is Circadiyin good? Today I decided to record this quick video to clear all your doubts regarding Circadiyin. I saw a lot of information here on the internet that does not match the reality of Circadiyin. So for you not to throw money away and regret your purchase, watch this video until final. The first thing you need to know is, the original Circadiyin is only sold on the official website of the producer. It is not sold on any other website. And for you to get real results with Circadiyin, buy on the official site. To help you, I left the link here in the description of this video. You feel tired, and you're already irritated from struggling to lose that stubborn weight, right? Unfortunately, I know this because new research shows that more than a third of men and women over the age of 40 suffer from a circadian rhythm disorder, which is your body's natural daily sleep, wakefulness, and metabolic cycle. And scientists have discovered that your circadian rhythm not only controls sleep quality and energy, it also controls your metabolism. Never before has there been a solution designed to specifically target the underlying cause of unexplained weight gain by healing the circadian rhythm from the inside out, until Circadiyin was created. The world's first all-natural solution designed to target broken circadian rhythm, which is clinically shown to control metabolism. And what is Circadiyin? Circadiyin works? And the answer is yes. Circadiyin really works. Circadiyin is the only innovative product in the world that contains the 100% natural, vegan, and completely safe blend of 18 clinically proven ingredients designed to support the complete restoration of circadian rhythm, and therefore activation metabolism, and turbocharge for men and women over 40. The product is manufactured here in the USA in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility under sterile, rigorous, and precise standards. Circadiyin is non-GMO and safe. You can be sure that it does not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and more importantly, they are not addictive. A lot of people are having great results with Circadiyin, and you can definitely have results too. Let's go to the most important part of this video. Pay attention. For you to have all the benefits of the product, do the treatment correctly, use as indicated by the manufacturer. Keep in mind that each person reacts in a different way to treatment, each in their own time, and for you to have the full benefits of Dentitox Pro, you need to take the treatment seriously. And the best thing about buying from the Dentitox official website is that if you are not satisfied with the product within 60 days, you can ask for your money back. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Circadiyin from. And if you buy the product on the official website, do the right treatment, take it seriously. Keep in mind that your results may be different than anyone else's, but it's entirely up to you. So stay focused. If you have any questions, leave us comments here, okay? I left the official Circadiyin site here in the video description, so you can buy your Circadiyin on the right site and have all success in your treatment.